Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the general option. Then let's scroll down and go to the language and region, just tap on it. And here we've got the list of the languages which are, let's say, currently applied. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick maybe Italian. Just find the language and tap on it. Now your device will ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on the first option, in my case use Italian, and wait until your device will finish the whole process and set the new language as a default. And as you can see right now, we've got two languages added in this list, the English and Italian. And from now on, obviously, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you wish, you can quickly change the language just by reordering those languages here. So let me tap on English and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Then let's tap on Continue, I believe, to confirm everything, and let our device set the English in my case, of course. And as you can see, everything is in English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit in the right upper corner and tap on this minus icon next to the language you wish to remove. Tap on Delete and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm everything. Tap on Continue to confirm, and now just wait a second until your device will process this operation and remove the language from this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.